Hello, everybody. So today we are going to be looking at Earth's energy resources. So in your Edmodo, go to the post that says Earth's energy resources. There is a link for the reading. There is my email where you can send your completed work. And then we have the practice questions. So let's take a look at this. So energy is the ability to move. Energy is also able to change matter from one state to another. So from solid to liquid if something melts. And every living thing needs energy to live and grow. So the energy to make electricity comes from fuel. So fuel stores the energy and releases it when it is needed. So fuel is going to be any material that can release energy in a chemical change. All right, so you eat food, it gets converted to energy. You fill up your car with gasoline. It gets the energy to move, to drive you places. All right. So when fuel is burned, a lot of the energy is going to be released as heat. Some of the heat is going to be used to do work, such as warm your house or cook your food. Sometimes the heat is just wasted, but it still heats the environment. All right. So basically, any form of energy ends up storing energy until it gets released. So, like wood on a fire, that stores energy that it got from the sun. Um, the head of a match that gets lit stores energy as chemical energy. All right. So, a lot of things require energy. All right. So, there are some sources of energy. So, almost all energy comes from the sun. So, the sun is involved in photosynthesis, where plants use its energy to make food. Fossil fuels are the remains of plants and animals, which is why they're called fossil fuels. And they are storing the sun's energy that they received millions of years ago. Sun heats surfaces unevenly, which causes wind. And it drives the sun also drives the water cycle. Wind and water can be used as renewable resources. And then internal heat, the heat inside the earth comes from radioactive decay. So that doesn't depend on the sun. So hopefully that all makes sense. Make sure you finish your questions and turn them into me.